In the wild, the battle between predator and prey is a constant struggle for survival. Today, we dive into the epic tale of the wolf versus the sheep. As the wolf stalks quietly, the sheep remain blissfully unaware of the danger that lurks nearby. Suddenly, the peace is shattered. A swift and powerful leap demonstrates the wolf's ferocity. In a heart-stopping moment, the chase is on. The sheep must summon every ounce of speed to evade the wolf. But not every chase ends in victory. The sheep find refuge, united and stronger together amidst the looming threat. As the sun sets, the wolf reflects on its role in this cycle of life, while the sheep enjoy their moment of peace. In the stillness of the night, the wolf's howl echoes through the woods, reminding us that nature is a delicate balance between predator and prey. This story teaches us about the circle of life. Strength and vulnerability coexist, each playing its part in the grand tapestry of nature.